Tuesday. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a coastal flood warning, which is in effect until 2 a.m. Tuesday. The coastal flood advisory is no longer in effect. Locations along the shoreline of western Long Island Sound. Tidal departures.